Hello, my name is Alonso and I'm from 14.7, and this video is for my open source wideband display. The wideband display is based on two parts: the display and the driver. The driver is based on the AT Tiny 861, and the driver connects to the display via a 14 conductor ribbon cable. The driver runs off the 0 to 5 volt linear output of your wideband. I'm going to publish the firmware, the schematics, and also the Gerber files for the PCB. So it'll be a fully open source project. And right now I have it hooked up to the 0 to 5 volt output of my non-OEM wideband controller, world's smallest and lowest priced fully assembled wideband controller on the market. It's $50. And I have my Bosch wideband sensor hooked up to my controller, and the controller hooked up to the display. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simulate rich gas by using a lighter to give the sensor some gas. So it simulates rich gas, and you'll see the display change. Let's turn off the light. Okay, the display, by default, the firmware expects a 9 to 19 0 to 5 volt linear output, and that's what my non-OEM module does, and so it's compatible with the default firmware. You can change it if you have a programmer. You can change you alter some of the definitions in the source code and recompile it, and you can make it work with any wideband controller on the market. So give some gas, drops, get down to 9, and it gets down to about 9, and it'll slowly go up to about 19. It won't get quite to 19 because the 5 volt regulator on the driver board doesn't actually output exactly 5 volts, it outputs 5.1 volts, so it gets to about 18.8, around there. The 5 volt regulator is based on the LM317T, and it uses a resistor divider to set the output. So if you want maximum accuracy, then you can solder in a variable resistor, and you can precisely set the output voltage to 5 volts, or alternatively you can compensate for that in the firmware. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to put the kit for sale on my website, complete DIY kit with all components, pre-programmed microcontroller, PCB, ribbon cable, everything, for $30 on my website. So anyways, thank you very much. Take care.